Alright guys, this is Bank Nifty and a 5-minute chart. As we discussed in our WhatsApp group, that trend is running an uptrend, so means we are looking for buy only. So basically, we enter near a demand and the supply area and break out the structure in that level. So sometimes what happens, price not able to pull back to this level, and they form another demand zone or supply zone in a small time frame. So let me show you where exactly today from that zone and we enter here, and we will discuss where we are going to enter tomorrow, in which direction. Okay, what is the reason behind that? So let me show you in a small time frame like this. This 1-minute chart. So first we have seen that was our entry point somewhere here, and exactly I entered. Okay. So why I entered? Because they already placing a uptrend, so that is why we are entering here. So let me show you in this area, right? So just a minute. Here I can see. Okay. So here I can see this is the bullish candle and crossover. So I think everybody knows my SL is 50 and the target is 150 somewhere here. All right, 150. Somewhere here in that candle, which reach that level. All right, so next I entered here by using 1:3 again, 50, and another 150 point my target. Okay, so now I can see later here, you can see price reach that level. It took too much time, but that was not that much profitable because it's too much time to reach that level. As the option buyer, we need momentum. All right, but here because of theta decay hit this level, and another opportunity we have seen somewhere here, but I didn't enter here. So let me show you why I didn't enter. Let's take a look. Okay, so if I place here buy order somewhere here, if I place my SL for 50 rupees and the target 150, okay, like here. Now I can see my target is here, but there are a strong resistance line. So that is why I didn't take any position. Even we see some buyer opportunity because there are no, this target is above this resistance line. So that is why I didn't place order. So how I identify this resistance? If you not see like a daily time frame, so you can see this is the daily time frame. This is the all-time high point, and it acts as a resistance. So that is why I didn't take any position below this resistance line, where exactly not able to reach my target. Okay. Now a big question is there: can I go for buy here? All right. So in that case, you just see the momentum, you see the power. So basically, I'm not interested to take any position below this resistance line, but even I'm not looking for short if I'm not getting confirmation. So how we will get the confirmation? That is the important thing. Okay. So let me show you in a 5-minute chart. So first we must find out the buyer territory. What is the buyer territory? So this is a large area here, from here to here. This area as a buyer territory. All right, so let me draw a line, this one like that. Okay, perfect. So this is the buyer territory. All right, so everything above this area, like everything here getting buy, everything area is the buy, everything like buy. When price stay above the buyer territory or in between this buyer territory, so here I can see buyer territory, so we are looking for buy. So but here another scenario we have seen, this is a strong resistance. Okay, if price break this resistance line, definitely we will buy. All right, so we'll wait for opportunity and we will buy it. But if price stay in this area, I'm not interested to take any buy. All right, so now you can see another we have seen, this is a strong supporting line somewhere here. You can see price are rejecting from again and again like that. So if tomorrow price open anywhere but below this level, remember below 441445, below this level, all right. So means price break this level if they form a pullback and from any sell signal, so I can go for short, but I will reduce my quantity. Okay, so because still price are above in between this buyer territory. All right, that is why if they according the price action method they are forming like that. So if some sell signal forms, so I will go for short, but I will reduce my quantity. Or if price break this level around 43700 level, okay, so I'll be a seller. Aggressively I will start selling from below this area. So let's say price is dropping like that, and here I'll see some price action. If they're forming the price action like higher high, so I'll be a buyer above this level. All right. And if price open above this area and I'll see the pullback, so definitely I'll go for buy. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and thanks for giving your valuable time.